Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Mid-Level 2 House Cleaning Service. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Mid-Level 2 House Cleaning Service. Here is a project description. You manage a house cleaning service. As manager, you schedule the cleaners with clients, provide cleaning supplies, and ensure the cleaners. You pay the cleaners for their time and mileage reimbursement. You set up a monthly workbook with one worksheet per week to enter the dates, mileage to each house, and start and stop times. You then calculate the hours worked. You are ready to calculate weekly totals and the monthly totals. Now let's start the assignment. Go to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 ML2 House Cleaners. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download this Excel workbook from my MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my MyITLab dashboard. Here is the Excel workbook I have already downloaded from my MyITLab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is the title and column labels in the template worksheet are formatted with cell styles. You want to apply this formatting to the other weekly worksheets. Group the template work 1, work 2, week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 worksheets. Select the range A1 to B1 on the template worksheet and fill formats only across the other weekly worksheets. Move to the workbook. Week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Group the templates. You will go to the home tab, click on this tab, formats. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is now you want to fill the formatting and contents to the other worksheets. With the worksheets still grouped, select the range A11 to E11 and fill both content and formatting across the other weekly worksheets. First we select this range, then go to this tab. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is you want to unlock the data entry cells on the weekly worksheets. With the worksheets still grouped, select the range A12 to D40 and unlock the cells. First we select this range and unlock the then go to the format tab, the format cells, click on the protection, then unlock. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is you want to create a data validation rule to control data entry. Ungroup the weekly sheet, select the range D12 to D40 in the template worksheet and then create a data validation rule with these specifications. Allow time greater than cell C12 and the next is enter the input message title and time. First we select this range and then create a data validation rule. Allow time greater than cell C12. The template worksheet. Select this range. Time is greater than C12. Then you go to the data tab and go to the data tools, data validation. Time is greater than the cell C12. Greater than the C12. Enter the input message title and time. Input message, go to the input and time. Enter the input message, enter the end time, this one. Select the stop error alert type, stop, this one. Enter the correct alert title and correct end time. Select this and error message. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is you want to duplicate the data validation rule on the other worksheet with the range D12 to D40 selected in the template worksheet. Click or press copy, display the week 1 sheet tab and group the week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 sheets. Select the range D12 to D40, click or press the paste arrow on the home tab, select paste special, select validation in the paste special dialog box and then click or press OK, ungroup the sheets. First we select this range D12 to D40 on this dialog box, select this range, then display the week 1 sheet tab and group the select this range. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will guarantee you to A plus grades in your every assignment, every simulation exam, every simulation training, hands-on exercises. Question number question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is display the week 2 sheet and insert a split bar between rows 22 and row 23. First we will go to the display week 2 and insert a split bar between rows 22 and 23. Row 22 and 23. Select this row, then you will go to the view tab, then click on split bar. Split bar are inserted. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is, although the data validation will prevent future error in the data entry, I did not correct error in the existing data. Display the week 1 sheet. Circle invalid data to identify cells containing invalid. N times display the month sheet in cell H4 and H5. Indicate the name of the cell, example A1, that contained the error. Do not enter a formula. Display the week 1 sheet again. Change the first incorrect and time to 11 a.m. Change the second and time to 4:15 p.m. Then go to this. Change this time on this in these cells. Question number 9 are completed. We have now completed 9 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.